Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload media into your Google Vids projects. So you're in your Google Vids project, you're trying to edit it, you're on the edit page, and you have some media of your own that you'd like to add to your Google Vid. If you click on Insert, and then the second one down, Upload, you can upload some of your own content into this video. If you click on that, you'll notice you get a pop-up screen. And basically what this is going to do is it's going to show you content in either your downloads, your Google Drive, whatever you have access to at that time. But it's really only going to be content that you can upload into the video. So that generally is going to be image files, animated GIFs, other video content. Now, what I've learned, when you export a Google Vid or try to download it, it does so in MP4 file format. If you insert a video into Google Vids and it's not in MP4 format, it may struggle to download it or fail completely. So if you're going to insert other video content into a Google Vids project, you should consider converting it to MP4 first and then adding it. When I had this problem, the moment I started converting things into MP4, everything exported and downloaded smoothly, no issues. That's just how it's going to work, apparently. But if you have content that you want to upload into your Google Vids, you can do that by inserting and then choosing Upload. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.